Hey guys, hope you guys are well. How to design a social media post in 5 minutes. Guys, check it out. Look, this is so easy. Canva, like I keep saying, is probably it is my go-to website to do anything. So when I want to design anything for my social media posts, um, I kind of just go to sorry, Canva. I use Fiverr too, but Canva. Anyways, so let's just kind of start, right? Straight away. So let's say I'll go to templates on the side. I'll go to social media, right? So guys, remember you can check this out yourself. So you can go to the link in my description. You can see you can use it for free anyway, and the pro version for free for 30 days. And you can see, look, what I like about Canva is that they already have ready-made social media templates. So, I use Instagram quite a lot as my social media go-to. Obviously, everybody's got their own. Some people Facebook, some people other things, but I'm more Instagram. Um, I like to do a lot of work on Instagram. So for me, it's kind of more, it depends on what your niche is. For me, because obviously I'm a teacher myself, so I'm a high school teacher, and and my Instagram is about teaching. So I'm just going to go and just type in teaching, right? So you can type in kind of any niche you want, anything that you're interested in, or anything that your Instagram or social media account is about. And look, here you go. So I've just typed in teaching, and then what I've got is I've got different size posts. So obviously the square one will be for Instagram. There's other ones like for Reels and things like that, which you can use for, and also TikTok, which you can use for the longer ones, which you can use as well. So they got different sizes depending on your social media. Now, obviously, let's say, I'm looking at mine and mine is to do with teaching. Let's say I want to just chat to teachers, or I've got some kind of course that I want to kind of share with teachers. Then obviously you look at something that works. But what's really nice about all these posts is that you will find something that it will suit you. You always do, because the amount of options is amazing. I mean, like I got the pro version, so where it says here, like you got pro here in the middle, that means that it's only the people that have the pro version. I mean, like I said, you can go to the link in my description, you can try out the pro version. I mean, that just gives you more options. You can still use the free version anyway, to be honest, they got loads and loads, but you could try it out. Now, you could have a sort of color or a theme like that you use in your social media posts. So, for example, what I like to do is I like to give positivity in my social media posts to other teachers. So, for example, I might say motivation, right? So it might not be, it might be something that I want to actually share with people. So I want to like a motivational kind of social media post, just to motivate other people, things like that. So look, I mean, look at this. It's so nice. They got fantastic posts that kind of can suit everybody. If I just click on this one, like for example, which is quite basic, look at this one. A positive mindset brings positive things, and then from here, you can see other things, other ones that are similar, because obviously you clicked on it. It's like they just say more like this. So I might choose, let's say I like that kind of sky sort of theme. It looks quite nice, you know. And again, whatever it is, you can choose another one and then adapt it. So for example, let's say I like this one, and you want to customize it, so you click customize, right? So easy, guys, it's amazing. And because that's the kind of theme that I want to kind of use. So you got something where you might have a quote of the day, and like mine is, like I said, mine is going to be geared towards my fellow teachers. I'll be like, good morning, teachers. Let me make it smaller. You just customize it, you highlight it, reduce the size, and obviously try and make it fit. Good morning, teachers. Yeah. Um, Hope you have a great day. It could be anything, it doesn't really matter. Just whatever you kind of want to say. Let me just do it. Capital. Hope you have a great day. That's it. That's all I want to do. Nice background. Really nice background. I might just put my handle in there, you know. You can just put your handle in there. On Instagram, I'm called the behavior trainer. The behavior trainer. Right? I'm done. That's it. That's my post. That's what I want. Now, really, I could get loads of posts. I could do, like, look how quick that one is. So let's say I like that. I'm gonna go to share, download it, and then click download. Now, actually, if I want, I don't even need to just, I can download it, because there's a few ways of doing this. You can download it, and then from your PC, you can share, you can sort of share it, or you can just go to share on social, where you can just go to your social and share it across. So if I got my Instagram there, if you got your Pinterest or you got your TikTok, you can literally share it straight, okay, which is fantastic as well. But for me, I've just downloaded it because what I want to do is I like to just upload it myself. So there you go. That is my post, which I'm gonna probably send later on. Well, not now, but probably for tomorrow morning, something like that. And that's it, guys. That's your post. So, you know, it's that easy. It is that easy, guys. It's so easy. Just go to Canva. Like I said, try it out. You don't really need to design a social media post. You actually just you can get an idea and then you can adapt it. You know, and like I said, you can customize it in any way. It's not just the text that can be customized, the colors, the background. It can be customized in any way that you want, just to make it more, I guess, unique and more like your own style. So, guys, try it out, check it out. Like I said, you can see it in the link in the description, and just have a go. Guys, if you like the video, if you found value, please hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell, and I shall see you on the next video, guys. Take care.